Hi guys. Well, new location. I'm in my car. I just drove to Pleasanton. So I just want to check out the restoration hardware outlet here. Well, actually, I'm supposed to go to 99 Ranch to buy some meat for grilling, Korean meat. Um, but yeah, I just thought since I'm here already, why not go to Restoration Hardware Outlet. I think it's still open. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening, so I think I still have 1 hour before they close. I'll just check some things out here, and I hope I can film inside as well and show it to you. Okay, hold on. I'll see you later. I love this couch. Let's see this one. Oh, it's actually too low. Let's see how much is this. $4,650. So this is the cloud couch. Oh, oh gosh. Yeah. Comfortable, huh? Bookshelf. Oh my god. Hello. 1.6. Oh, I like this one. I think I prefer this one compared to the the cloud couch. This one's 3,000. I like the look. Naupo nga. Oh, it's actually still good, oh. Wala bang mura? Side table. Uy, I like this one, ha. Ang laki. Kaya lang, ang mahal din. 1,400 for a mirror. In fairness, gusto ko yung kanina. Ito masyadong mababa. These chairs. Uy, gusto ko to. These accent chairs. I think this one swivels. Yeah. Oh, I like that one. A big ottoman. Uy, ang ganda nung look na yun, ha? May couch palang ganito. So, if you sit on it, gusto ko yung mga coffee table na yan. Let's see. Actually, ang goal ko talaga, magkaroon ng restoration hardware na dining table. This one are all the coffee table. $770 na lang. Oops. Diyos ko, masira ko pa. Mga 1.6. To think na 40 to 70% off na to. $157. May wood table sila. 1.9. Pero thick to ang fairness. Yung mga ibang dining table nila dito. In fairness, malakas siya. Siguro this one is for 6 people. That one is bigger. I think that would fit at least 8 people. Hello again! Oh, this is extendable. 2,000 na lang. Oh my gosh. This one, ito yung gusto ko. Parang farmhouse. Pero ang bigat, And they have, I think, extension. So it could fit maybe 12 people or 10. They have a lot of dining tables here. This one I really love. Itong marble na round. This one's 9. But this one, my gosh. The 17th century ministry table in black. So, in the outlets, 1,000 na lang. 1,000 na lang to. Pero medyo maliit. It could fit 6 people. 2 chairs here. 2 chairs there, and then 1 on each side. Ito medyo modern yung even the chandelier they're selling. Glass table. But I want a wood one. 2.9. 2.9 for this. Yeah, ang bigat. Oh my god. Kailangan talaga ito i-deliver. I like the black one. Pero ilalagay ko lang naman siya sa Ito yung malalaki. Ay, pati rugs. They're selling the rugs. Let's see this one. This one is quite long. It could fit maybe 12 people here on this table. And this is $2,000. Oh, they're selling some of the chairs. See, magkano to? Alam ko meron to sa Home Goods dati. O in fairness, 120 na lang. Because only one. You need at least a pair of it. Oh my god, this is what I wanted. 160. Serena Lily vase, but they have it in here. Ah, ito yung isa. But we can buy this one. Pero hindi siya match. Hindi siya match doon sa isa. The leather chair, $630. Oh my gosh. Thanks. Yep. I like this one. This one is 1,100. I like some buong table fine thing. Yeah. RH. Kitchen table is around 125. This one ang laki, in fairness. Ah, chandelier. Oh my god, they're selling this? Ito yung gusto ko pa naman sa Restoration Hardware. This one. How much is this? The iron 1.9 from 4,000. Oh my gosh. Itong malaki. Kasi ano mo siya ng bulb. Yung bulb niya is either this. See, this is the other product. So it's 1.9. Ang gandang statement sa sa bahay. Especially you need a big space. They have a smaller one, 830 with this kind of lamp, but you can still change this if you want to. Oh my god, gusto ko to. Ang bigat niya. Some of the chairs, dining chairs. Ooh, I want this one. Uy, 1,100 na lang. Wow. So this dining tables to, diba? Top. Tapos kailangan mo na lang ng base. This one is the marble one. Clearance. 1.4. It's just that it's hard to maintain a marble top. Yun lang. Itong rug, how much? 800? 800. So let's see other part of the outlet store. So, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's this one. Ang ganda. How much is it? 3.4. 3.4 from 6,000. Ang 1,038 na lang. 70% off. Naglit, parang gusto ko to. Oh my god. Siyempre may mga ano na siya oh, may ganyan-ganyan na siya. Pero okay lang oh. And it's one whole piece. I mean the tabletop. Oh my god, parang gusto ko yan. And I'll put it not in my actual dining area, but in outside. 1,038. So this could fit at least 3 or 4. Oh, there's the one. May ano, ayun, kapareho nun. So this one is the same table. So it could fit 10 people. See, 10 people. So 4 on each side and then 1 here, 1 there. Sige, pag-isipan natin yan, ha? Pag-isipan. It's 1,900 for this coffee table. Tapos itong leather, 2,900. Ay, ang ganda na itong chair. Ay, bet ko to. Ang leather. It's modern. 1,500. 1,500 isa? 1,500 isang chair? Oh my god, 1,500 isang chair. Oh my gulay. Pero gusto ko yung table, oh. So, you can fit 10 people here. And the chair is 8. The table is 8,150 for this table. Oh my god, sige. Yung table talaga kanina, I really like. This one, another set of ano. But I like this table too, marble. Real marble table. Pero open naman ng, ano, may art sila dito. There's a, uy, ang ganda ng art in fairness. Magkano to? 210 for this. Ang ganda. Gusto ko to yung babae. Ay, hindi pala siya babae. Lalaki pala yun. Ay, ayun, may ganyan-ganyan pa. So, they have art. Oh, they have ano. Oh, they have linen collection. Bedding set. Let's see how much is this one. Bakit hindi nakalagay kung magkano? I'm not sure how much it is. For pillows, is this for duvet? Oh, $62 for this. Oh, not bad. And pillowcases. If you want to change your pillowcases. They have tables too. Oh my god. Ito yung gustong-gusto kong nakita ko sa ano nila. Sa online. How much is this? Oh my god, from 4,000 is 2,200. Please focus. There you go. Oh my gosh, this is the marble table that I really wanted for 6 people. Oh my god, they have it here. Saglit, 2,000 to, oh my god. Ito yung pangarap kong table. It's a marble table talaga, and they have the French vibe on the bottom. Naloloka ako. Pero gusto ko na yung 1,000 na yun na table for outside. This one is 2,000. Oh my god, they have it here sa outlet. Oh my god. Okay, just let's think about it. Let's think about it first. Oh, I think this is curtains. Curtains. Some of office tables. And beds. Ooh, they have a day bed though. And those 4-poster beds for kids. This one is more of a twin bed and day bed. Oh, even the for the bathroom, they're selling it. Oh my god! They have the same table that I have at home. This one. How much? 1.3. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, linen bedding. So how much is this one? It's probably between $200 something. I'll check. Bakit kasi hindi they even have this now. 970. You just have to buy the top. And they have it too. There. Oh my god. Saglit, naluloka ako dun sa Oh, they even have this mirror. Oh, they have small mirror. Oh, this big 4-poster bed though. The mirrors. Tanong ko kaya yun? Kasi RH member ako. Bed. $700. Something, some art. Mabigat. They even have it. Oh, yung mga chandelier na dito, oh. Oh my god, nalaloka ako sa presyo. There are some na mura na, in fairness. This one is 1.3 for the chandelier. I'm actually looking for a pendant light na gusto ko palitan yung light namin sa ito. Okay sana to, 320 na lang, pero iisa lang yata siya.